Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak to all on the ever first stay at home Eid. Today's video is glimpses of our Eid day. This is the first time we are celebrating Eid without performing prayer at Eidgah and not visiting our relatives. Let's all hope this phase shall pass soon. Before beginning, let's all pray for the families affected by COVID-19. Also, let's all be safe by following all the precautionary measures and stop spreading this pandemic. On the Eid day for the breakfast, it's always Pathiri for us. Actually, this is Rava Pathiri and the recipe is given in the iCard and description box. I have already made Pathiri the day before for the iftar, so we had it in the morning. Usually on the Eid day, it's a norm to pay a quick visit to friends and family nearby to wish Eid Mubarak, but this time it was over the phone. Meanwhile, kids were given some painting activities to spend their time. Streets all looked empty and deserted, with more restrictions and increasing cases of COVID-19. So, we are also planning to go out for a drive in the afternoon without stopping anywhere like many are doing now. Before starting lunch preparation, I am making some Chukkukappi with the panikurka leaves I have in my balcony garden. And I'm going to soak basmati rice for making Mandhi. Here I'm using tilda rice. I like making Mandhi for two reasons. One is easy to make and second, kids' favorite. And the Chukkukappi is ready to be served. The recipe for this one is also in the iCard and description box. We have this frequently these days to boost immunity and whenever we have cold symptoms.
Thank you.
Now, moving on to Mandhi preparation, we are making Mutton Mandi today. In a pressure cooker on a medium flame, add 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. I have used sunflower oil here. Once the oil is hot enough, we are going to add some fennel, some black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 4 cardamom pods. Adding in 2 sliced onions, enough salt and 3 tablespoons crushed ginger garlic. Saute for a minute or two and add 3 cups of water. Close the lid and let it boil. Into the boiling water, I am adding 1.2 kg mutton pieces. Meanwhile that's cooking, let's make salsa for the Mandhi. For making salsa, into a mixer grinder jar, I am adding 3 sliced tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 2 small garlic pods, juice of 1 lemon and salt to taste. Pulse for 10 seconds and our salsa is ready. I've added 1 more sliced chili as I felt the salsa is less spicy. And all the vegetable peels goes into this bin for composting. I'm using this wide, thick bottomed vessel for cooking rice for Mandhi. into which pour 2 tablespoons oil, and once it's hot enough, add 4 cups of washed, soaked and drained basmati rice. Saute on high flame until the rice starts not sticking each other. Meanwhile, our mutton has cooked well and I'm waiting for the pressure to be released. Actually, for Mandhi, meat has to be cut into bigger pieces, but here I got them small. I'm draining the mutton pieces into a strainer and I'll be using the gravy for cooking rice. For cooking 4 cups of basmati rice, we need 8 cups of water. Here I'm going to measure this gravy and add boiling water to make it 8 cups and add this to the rice. Adding in 1 tomato grinded without adding any water, 1 dry lemon, six green chilies and salt as required. Cook it on high flame until water reduces to the level of rice. Now lower the flame to very low, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now we need to fry our mutton pieces. I'm marinating only the bigger pieces and keeping aside the smaller ones. For marination, I'm adding 3 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri green chili, half teaspoon garam masala, enough salt to taste, and I'm coating each pieces. Our Mandhi rice has cooked well and I'm fluffing it up. Now let's layer inside the rice the smaller mutton pieces which we have kept aside. Frying the mutton pieces in an iron pan with 2 tablespoons oil on a medium flame. We need to cook the mutton on both sides only for 2 to 3 minutes as they are already cooked. This step gives a nice smoky flavor to our mandi. For that, I am burning 1 small piece of charcoal. Layering the mutton pieces on top of the mandi rice. Place the charcoal in a bowl kept in the center. Pour some oil and close immediately.
Malla super biryani.
During Ramadan, we sleep less at night and make up for that in the day. So it will take a day or two to come back to the normal routine. So after lunch, I went for a nap. And it's after so many years that I got a chance to apply mehendi on my hands. When I woke up to check the mehendi, I realized I missed the afternoon rain here in Dubai. That's what I tried in my daughter's hand. It's still drizzling here. Now it's almost 5:30 here, and as per the new rule we are supposed to be back home before 8 p.m. So we all together dropped the plan of going for a drive. So it was completely a stay-at-home Eid this time for us. And all of us ended up watching some movie, and after some time I went for editing this video. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and bye.